Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a beautiful woman named Lily. She was very proud of her looks and often told everyone how pretty she was. Lily wanted the best of everything: beautiful clothes, shiny jewelry, and a big house. Lily was married to a kind man named Tom. Tom was not rich, but he worked hard every day. He loved Lily very much. However, Lily was not happy with their simple life. She wanted more and more. One day, Lily said to Tom, "I want a big, beautiful house. I want to wear the best clothes and have lots of jewelry. You need to work harder to give me what I want." Tom replied, "I am doing my best, Lily. We may not have much money, but we have love and happiness. Isn't that enough?" But Lily did not agree. She felt that love was not enough. One day, she met a rich man named David in the market. David was handsome and very rich. He wore expensive clothes and had a big smile. David said to Lily, "You are very beautiful. If you want, I can give you everything you dream of. You can have a big house, nice clothes, and jewels." Lily was excited. She thought, "Why should I stay with Tom when I can have all of this?" So, she made a choice. She left Tom for David. At first, Lily was happy. She moved into a big house and wore beautiful clothes. She felt proud and thought she was the luckiest woman in the world. But soon, things began to change. David was not kind like Tom. He was busy with his work and did not spend time with Lily. He often ignored her and only cared about money. Lily began to feel lonely. The beautiful house felt empty without love. One day, Lily saw David with another woman. They were laughing and having fun together. Lily's heart sank. She realized that David did not love her like Tom did. She had traded love for riches. Feeling sad, Lily thought about Tom. She remembered how kind he was and how he always made her smile. She regretted leaving him for a man who did not care for her. With a heavy heart, Lily decided to go back to Tom. When she reached their old home, she knocked on the door. Tom opened it, and he looked surprised to see her. "Lily, you are back," he said softly. "Tom, I am sorry. I made a mistake. I was greedy and proud. I left you for money, but I realized that love is more important. Can you forgive me?" she asked, tears in her eyes. Tom looked at her and said, "I loved you even when you left. It hurts to see you regret, but I will always care for you." Tom welcomed Lily back, and they talked about their feelings. Lily learned that true happiness comes from love, not money. She promised to be a better person and to appreciate what she had. From that day on, Lily and Tom worked together to rebuild their life. They may not have had much money, but they were happy together. Lily learned that being proud and greedy does not bring true joy.